Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a JLT cabinet, door, and frame clamp. If you have any questions about pricing or availability, please go to 360degreemachinery.com. Also remember that all of our machines are located right here in Naperville, Illinois, and that we do not broker tools to ensure quality. We are also processing anywhere from 40 to 50 additional plus machines, so check back often, as we do not list machines unless they have been cleaned and checked. This is a JLT cabinet door and frame clamp. It's a model 78BC DFCM7. Right now it is open to its largest capacity of 51 by 76 inches. This clamp is about $15,900 brand new. Full working order. First of all, you do have pneumatic pressure from the top down and from left to right. The carriage adjusts via this lever here, forward and reverse. So we're going to bring it down real fast. As you can see, it is in full working order. You do have these two pistons. Those are foot pedal operated. As those clamps push in, you also do have your top pressure. That foot pedal is a two-stage foot pedal, so you have to actually hit it again to release it. So we'll hit it again. You can see the top pressure. To adjust your blocks, you simply pull the pin and slide the assembly where you need it. Again, a really clean clamp, single phase motor. No issues whatsoever, clean of all glue. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.